Your next car could be the 2015 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.